What's going on, guys? We are here in the way to what's it called? Loop Canyon? Yeah. Loop Canyon Trail. And we stopped on the way up. This is Malibu Beach, California. Check this out before we say anything. The guys over there chilling. Yeah, so anyways, we are going to start this hike. We're still kind of on the way. I think we lost direction a little bit. It's a bit tough to find this hike. But we're gonna continue the way there, just enjoying this view for now. And then we'll take you guys with us through this beautiful hike. By the way, it's a perfect California day today. Look at this weather. Nothing beats this weather. Alright guys, we found the hike. I think it's called Solstice. I'm not even really sure how to say it, but I'll put the name and details in the description. It's supposed to be a nice hike. Oops. So we'll take you guys with us and we'll see how it looks. Cheers.
I see if there is water or not.
There definitely is water, huh? It rained yesterday, I think, or something.
Yeah, it's not bad.
We're gonna find out.
It's a little dry.
This is the beginning, guys.
هاي جيناك عند شجرة كسر كنا
جايك يا صاحبي. حبيب تمام عامر خلص ايش عندك؟ لا يا عم شكرا والله وراي شغل.
شلنا بالله نحل عاسل نحل طبيعي.
في حضرمي في صخري وفي العادي.
طب روح جيب لنا
تشتي واحد.
ايه بالله روح.
تشتي واحد.
Get us one man. Fuck. لا 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 لا
لا لا لا لا.
Fuck you, bro.
Waterfalls. او خلاص نورنا.
كده اقعد.
دقت النهر؟
Wait. Almost. This is outstanding, guys. Beautiful. We found a spot and it's just like breathtaking, honestly. Check this out. Perfect area to chill. Quick break. Quick break. This way is ahead or that way? Which way? Which way? Okay. So we'll split up. You turn?
فوق تحت.
I mean,
You don't want to go that way?
I don't think we will catch anything.
listen, the guards were against us.
Yes. Yeah.
This is true.
Our God.
Alright guys, we are here to the end of the hike. Was a really beautiful hike. We did it for about 3 hours, I want to say. All the way up and down to back to water. Hope you guys like it. Please let me know what you guys want to see more of and stuff. Let's get going, guys. Have a good night.